what we're doing today. I'm gonna do a little patch back here, saw cut and patch. Right back here. I'm gonna do 9 feet. And do 9 feet wide from the fence to this apron way here. Get out here and I'll show you more so you guys can see it better. Park this. I'll get back with you and show you. Alright, I got parked here. Let me show you. You guys got a better idea. Let's see what it looks like. I'll start from here. Go 9 feet wide. Goes out to here somewhere. We're gonna pull a pass straight through here over all the broken stuff. Of course, we're gonna come in here. We're gonna saw cut it, you know, and dig up just the asphalt and pack the regrade the base and pack it. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do on this one. That's it. I'll get back with you guys on the, maybe do a little bit of the saw cutting and then tearing it out. We got it all saw cut, got it all dug out. I was going to get back to you on the saw cutting, but I was the one doing the saw cutting. It takes both hands to run it. So, but we got it dug out and getting the base in here, smooth it up. And then we're going to lay the asphalt. I'll get back with you on the asphalt. Hopefully I can get my GoPro going. I just got me a new one. That way you guys can watch these videos. Getting it all done up. Just getting it rolled in. I'd have got more footage, but my GoPro's broke. So I got another one coming, but we got it all tacked up. Which this business we're working for is called Rejuveseal, and he used his product on the tack, so it seems to be pretty good. Only time will tell, though. Got her all done. Figured I'd show you guys the final walkthrough here. It's hard to use this phone and get pictures and videos, but I'll show you what I can. I don't get us paving it, but that's what it looks like. We're all done wrapping it up. I'll catch you on the next one.